You gotta tell a liar, say, RT tell lie upon you. Just asking. Where you gonna tell a liar, say, RT tell lie upon you. So when your liar call RT now, RT go to film liar and say, yes, 5 times, Popsy never done me in December, me and your grind. So them gonna test your body, them gonna swab your body. So good body people, come here now, what we're gonna talk about today. Then come here now, come on, you never say Annie front or a click crick. You know see how Annie front click crick. And what kind of pum pum that Annie have in a panty, you know say I beat up Annie for that. Me say Annie have a ratted front to cover up pretty chef. Me say Annie click crick and a pum pum yaki. A pum pum yaki like dog did I eat it. And the Annie favorite dog vomit. No for true. Me say, you know, them dog and them food and them not want them never. I look at my study how dog eat, you know. Me say when I see them eat and me say, Jesus have mercy. Enough woman I carry her and I can look for underneath she but she have it in a baggie. Then you know say Annie crutches exposed on the app. Then on the see man on the FYP slow. When the FYP slow, nobody know no for send it to. No, I say, and the Annie stay bad. And the Annie favor Ackley Park Road where I burn down. And Annie na have no more ready now, all in and you know say pink now go there. I say Annie would not even sport purple. I say and the Annie white. And the Annie white. You don't think a Labor Day and them a whitewash the sidewalk. And the Annie white. And the Annie white in a man. No, for true. Me no know where Annie have. Me tell you say Annie go home without crutches and nobody don't believe me. Me say never have I been seen this yet and the one smaddy so what? That one more than lotion. That one soak in a baby oil for 2 weeks. I say me have to work for my vision now. From morning me I eat carrot. From my seat me just am carrot so. What you mean me very intrigued by Annie front? And your son would name me thing because him not used to nothing good. What you mean me intrigued by Annie front? What did they intrigue me now? I mean not do punani. Maybe if I did your son cocky me that more intrigue go see it in me. If I even for floss it out of my teeth. So what you mean? And when you for Anna this, then oh Anna dress like her background, so when I talk about that, I say Anna wrap up his selection just by a new case of Obia. I say Anna wrap. I say when I see Anna the other day in a white and blue, I wonder what is. You know, see them a provoke me. I don't trouble Anna picking them. And I say when I see Anna represent her background, I say Anna come out, I say the girl by a new case of Obia and she try it out for her dance. For sure, I couldn't believe it, people. Some people, when they hear RT Bass, she come out. Lord, me love RT Bass, say 5 times him sex Pops YG. RT Bass, say 5 times him hook out Pops, you know what. So tell me what you have to say about that with RT Bass. Say come the man on the talk to me like lovers do. RT is still married, so for stop him. He's looking clout, alright? We're gonna 1. I lie. We're going 2. RT always shading Pops about Batty. We're going 3, Cloud 4. Alright, let me tell you now what me have to say about it because it's some of a hypocrite. You know say other day Lionel come right here and the whole other thing say me and Lionel there. All the other things say me and Lionel there and Lionel say right here so. You see how people wicked? When I say all, I don't mean really, you know, all I would, you know. But it raised suspicion in the head to see a man sit down on my program. And by right, if any man at all come down me, them a must batty man, show or false. They must have swell problem. You understand what I say? And the first thing raised to my mind, the boy the straight, him lean, him and Shebada, a Shebby man this. I'm not asking, I'm telling. You don't have something in the head. If it not come out it in the thoughts, alright then fine. You know how long RT Bass attacked the argument here, and I'm going to say something. Ghetto people used to say if I not so and near so. Alright now, come here. Everybody know RT Boss. It's the same program RT Boss run pan popsyg. And the same program him did I try run pan World Dog. When he must send World Dog him money and World Dog take the money and disrespect RT Boss. None of them remember that though. RT Boss bump up their relationship. Alright, none of them remember that though. Okay. You have some people on the app, they will use money to catch you. RT have a perfect style of sending people gifts. Like rankers, yeah. And people that think they are cloud chasing. And not only cloud, him a run down man. You get what me I say? No, ladies and gentlemen, but no, someone else say, what you say, Shebby? But me I try make my point. What you do at RT yard? What are you doing at RT's house? And you say, Pops, me hear you call you a liar. But what you liar go do? It's a relationship. RT Boss no expose your hood in a film body or film hood in your body. What you call you a liar about? You want to cease and desist? I just that me want to know. What you go sue him about, Pops? First and foremost, and that me want to know. What you go sue him about? All the argument lean towards RT Boss. The picture were exposed with you and your reflection through the NSA bottle. How we pass that and gone at RT Boss, Pops? You and RT Boss has been in the same space over and over. Over and over. Number one, you were at the man's house. So we have a sue about. I just that I want to ask you first, because I want to make light of your something, you know. I want to understand you. He was your manager. Alright. Why RT Boss without anybody to manage you? RT Boss can even manage himself. You're not an artist. Even Crown Boss come and say Frank and you guy in yard, the RT yard, and you disappear for 35 minutes and leave Frank in the living room. Come the man where they make music. Even your friend, your driver, Crown Boss, the same with the 200 teeth the girl them jewelry. Even the girl will claim to say them lose them jewelry. You and your man, Crown Boss, thief the girl them jewelry. Even him come out and rat you out. RT Boss always confess him about him and I never take him serious. You never hear him tell you no. You never hear him tell you no. I want him with RT Boss him ever attack indirectly and directly same about him man. So now he's owning. So Pops, my question is this. Why you leave from what was shown on the app with you and a naked man in a bathroom, which is not RT Boss? Why you leave from that and gone to RT Boss, and it's the second time you're reaching out to quell RT Boss from speaking, because this is not RT's first time talking about you and how much you're gay and how much you're all sorts of something. It's not the first. So you see, a lot of persons can make light of the situation. You're not a chopper and you don't have a job. Why you always have money? How comes? You're not choppy line. You don't have a job. Why you carry people got RT Boss yard and disappear? Because Frank speak, but you're not talking about Frank. You're not talking about Frank and what Frank said, that you can carry guy yard, you can go RT yard, and you are RT this. Why not attack this first before you come to RT? Because RT isn't the first person that spoke about your bottom. What about the youth that you carry there? Me personally don't business if you're a Batman, sodomite, lesbian, gay, LGBT, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P. Me no business with that. But the business that I have is this. Una know so una love cocky and I make una self friendly with people who una deal with batting. No, you understand the difference. So now you call your liar for shut up RT Boss. But what exactly are you going to say to your liar? That RT at your lie for you? If RT say una did there, and you want to make it known. So I'm to that. So you see Pops YG, these are the stuff that una let out una hand indirectly. If you deal with RT Boss, you can't deal with RT Boss by yourself. Why you have to carry people go do dealings with where you deal with? You know, so where you deal with soon get exposed if you carry people on the dealings. No, you understand what I say, Savvy? These are the stuff that I can't understand. Now, Pops YG, where you gonna tell the world, say you're straight and you never have a woman yet from your compound the app. You are one little boy, your nature supposed to have beat you like a man, cause them say you pop pill. So when you pop pill, you do any single thing at all. A pure man you have around you. Pure man. After I'm not using body, now in my ear say collect the cocky. Eh? You see, these are the stuff when I don't understand, you know, Pops YG. Them are the things we not understand. Batty life sweet, you know, so much we not share it. This is too good to be true. Pops, me not lie, me never see you straight yet. I've never seen you straight. Me always say anything goes. Because you know you have to live in the general public. As a young brother, or you would not turn up. As a young brother, or you not lick down couple girl out the road like a bowling alley. Hmm? But batty life sweet, you have to share it with your friend. And you see people out there, especially females who don't understand this. I know a brother who in a batty life. And to all batty life sweet him have to explain to him friend and carry him friend pan the ends at the batty organization and rope in the man. In a batty is him. You see, una the same one we make boys with breast and ear come pick on up in the inner city and address. You never know say I saw it go, people. You never know say I saw it go. No, you know say I saw it go. Enough time you see car come pick up boy in a inner city. And glass wind up and the boy just swiftly go in the car. Yo, I'm so forward. Sometimes I tranny. Sometimes my boys with titty. And my woman that man. Glass well tint up. So when time them say you carry Frank on the ends, that are one of the story where me believe. You never know. You carry boy on the ends because me I tell you this. You know some people them sit down because them target all the youth them when you have nothing. Yo, you can make a link in all you have to do just go like say you want them, you know. I this say it start from. All you have to do go like you want them. Pops a bottom. You see top one pops? Pops a bottom. Pops on a top. And for those who don't understand, top mean man you get the sex. Bottom mean you collect the you can make the party around now. If anybody follow the history of Pops YG and RT Boss, you know say a long time they my friend. A long time they my friend. So Pops no can't scare. Pops can't scare. So you think so them now got woman too? Them are sex woman. Remember say them boy they are par with other man, you know. So them are sex girl from the pum pum come them are gonna just do something. And I say it good. And I say them know what them are do. Why you think Kay now mad over Pops? Because I know nothing she could have kiss her teeth while him in her hole. Kay could have dip on. While him out whine or try to perform. That's why the HIV level is so high. So when RT Boss is a liar, listen through the lies. The next thing again, RT Boss not have no reason for put him image on the line. RT Boss willing to put him image on the line. Me not say RT Boss isn't a liar, you know. I'm not picking up for RT Boss, but when you check the body of work between Pops and RT Boss and the history them have, how you for friend and man we talk say him this and him that, but you wouldn't want to sit down beside me as up an happy corner. Come now, Pops. And because money a letter. Remember RT by bottom? Remember RT Boss by bottom? Then you can imagine you have a baby daddy out there and himself him batty or cocky and then wash it up and come put in a your pony all because him collect a change from Shebada. Wanna go like wanna not know it. A long time it happen. So a long time now for all the females in the danger get on the floor. FT is gonna win it. Of course, I always say them use women as beard. Now you can imagine. But people are gonna talk over the argument and pick side, but nobody not reasoning out the relationship that they had. Pops isn't an artist. Pops is not the top class scammer. And then for show you how Pops is a nincompoop, and I tell you this, Pops is on the spectrum, you know. Why would you be on live trying to call a lawyer, get the lawyer office, and I'm gonna say you have a case as it relates to scamming? and you want to make a report because somebody had tell lie upon you or somebody had defame your name. Them not defame your name, Pops. You took people to the man's house knowing who the man be and know his intention. Why would you carry a friend on a mission? What was Frank's purpose at RT's house? Sometimes we carry man for man. Sometimes we do carry man for man. You have a link. Him not slow. Is a dead stop him come. When you hear your friend Crown Boss, and what you and Crown Boss team up on the beautiful ladies, them will come from England. When them did their Zimmy, it's just the other day you and Crown Boss. And the reason for Crown Boss to be hearing you out like this is because Crown Boss knows something, but he's not ready for talk yet. You and Crown Boss cannot be such a friend, and Crown Boss don't have an ounce of information as it relates to what is being exposed on the app. So make it make sense. Him can't be so perfidious to your Pops unless he want to separate himself from you, because guess what? This was out about you and me have some feeling towards it too, because me say play. Me say play. I saw no stay. You don't know if you keep your mouth shut. If you know you're an RT boss in a dealing, always have things up. Always have one up on RT boss. Make RT boss afraid for talk certain things, but no. So you see how much girl we have in a jeans pants? You see how much girl we have in a jeans pants? Them and a butch, them a tush. But Pops, you get caught, so it don't make no sense. You call you a liar. Leave your liar alone. Leave the man alone, Pops. Because where you gonna tell a liar say? RT tell lie for you? Just asking. Where you gonna tell a liar say? RT tell lie for you. So when your liar call RT now, RT go to film liar and say yes. 5 times, Pops, you never done me in December, me and your grind. So them are gonna test your body, them are gonna swab your body. All of this don't make no sense, but you can't leave the FYP. You can't leave the FYP. All of this don't make no sense, Pops. Come on, if them are gonna swab your bottom to see if RT cocky tracking it. So when RT liar ask him say, did Pops bring Frank to your house, where you gonna say a lie? Where you do a RT boss house? Am I your manager? Then am I help you manage the pig them? Me just ask here help you name the KFC them. Me just ask. You know all of this what you do is not hurt you fight back for your spot for going a dance hall. At that you fight for you want to go party with peace and ease. But you know you love man. Remember say Pops are getting money, you know. Remember money Pops are getting a free sex. And a free sex. I know it's so funny. No female knows that the man now work, but the man ever have money. As him go and come back with cash. And the boy tell you anything. Oh, my dog give me this. Oh, me and my dog I got Ochi. Come here, no man. You know go like a rocket science. I don't come a program attack when a multiple choice. Say a Beyonce me attack 1 + 1 equal what? Enough girl, let me say this. You see the girl them will go dance to a follow up dance hall. Do not trust their crutches. They don't care who the man want be. Them just want to know them and give them crutches and a collect a stipend. So them not keep the man want have man because them not look in a relationship. Enough crutches and bodies selling a dance hall. A lot of crutch and butt selling a dance hall. That's why them can't hear them one another. Look how Pops jump off at the live when time them ask if him and K did grind. Him just hang up the live. You know defend the child and say what not talk about. K a big woman for me, you know, run it off certain way. K a big woman for me, don't know that man. Him just jump off at the light. Pops can't hold him out. I see why it's always running. I'm going to talk something again about Frank being at RT's boss house and Pops and RT missing. Let me tell you something. You carry your friend on the ends. You carry your friend on the ends. And you say, yo dog, me so forward. It happened in a batty world. Because someone who like don't know about batty world. It happened in a batty world. Them so forward. Me and him are going to discuss business. So why you have to go so far for discuss business? Why you carry your friend if you know you go on a business meeting and your friend can't hear, nothing hear? That are the next thing again. So we just try to tie up the loose ends before Pops tie up himself. Now say everything with RT Boss attack are true. But from what Crown Boss say, which is Pops YG friend, make we talk about it. What kind of protection? So that the body not reach to him navel. What kind of protection him carry for me for 35 minutes? What kind of protection? Oh, you have to carry me for protection. Eh? It's not the first RT boss I say Pop Sabati man. Ancient days RT boss I say Pop Sabati man. So why is it now that it's incredulous for you to believe that a picture is out there and the whole internet did discuss Pops YG and Pops never come live, but as RT boss come live, Pops come live? What is there that you don't want RT boss to talk? Remember saying that we just reason out the possibilities, you know. Of course, me know that. Me tell you this. You see, Pops? Pops is a little boy who remind me of Akeem. You know Akeem? Where they on the internet figure it out, sister. You say figure she out. Pops remind me of her sister. Why you say so, Shebada? You see them? Me I tell you the truth that and this is what I like with Akeem. Akeem not bother me, you know. Akeem doesn't bother me. You know what bother me about Akeem? Is the attitude of which him name a call up in a doodle from ancient day, but you fight your way for going straight man and going a straight crowd. Them don't know if be militant and hold them own. You understand me? Just be militant and hold your own. The same music we play in a dance hall, it a play pan zip, fire. And if you check Love 101, you can't hear a few. You get what I say? I respect a batty boy who know for all him own. Who remember, I'm going to use an example again. Who remember when Quiet Perry knows exactly who him be, but yet still him want to go every straight dance? When you remember that? I'm going to come from a program and I talk and I say, this is what I don't respect about Quiet Perry. Who remember when Roger used to behave like a batty boy and from World Dog there and him start playing games? Who remember when Roger start go out every street dance? They don't know to, and this is the thing I don't respect about them. Never a time you see Candy out a road and Candy itch up on one straight dance. Big up to Candy with a lash. Never a time you see Candy out a road and fight for go one straight dance. These men don't have no respect for even hypocrites out a road. If a boy not be exposed and a boy might have knock the back door but nobody no know. A film function that you not have to go there. And this is the problem between Pops and Akeem and many others. Them know Batty a call upon them name and them a fight them with buy them way into dancehall, not realizing that people who in a dancehall still not like them. So all you see Pops a jump up now. Him just a fight him spot in the dancehall crowd. Same way. Same God Almighty way. Not realizing that people will see them and hurt them. Because a man, let me tell you how dancehall hypocritical. A man not like say you spend more than him and a man not like you hyper than him. That's the hypocrisy in a dancehall. Just like in a church, you can't out Holy Spirit me. So me ask Pops the question again. Where you call the lie about? What you know what RT boss talk about? If RT boss have evidence in them phone about you, you get where the duck get. That's why I tell you, say, you not have to go into the crowd, just go and live your body life. You done culture pan body already. You done culture pan body already. Go and live your body life. So you see your own hypocrisy catch you because you wouldn't depend live with Candy. Don't. You wouldn't sit down and play a match with Candy. Oh, what you do? And you know RT boss are ram out your body. So with the hypocrisy, fam. So when people want to sit down and pick out if RT I tell truth or I tell lie, me not come for if RT I tell truth or I tell lie. What's you guys' history? That is important. What is you guys' history? Because you quickly jump on your liar case, but you never come and clear up your name for say, well, then what kind of images you have about me? Because there's a naked man and you there in a one room or a bathroom. Or you not work out the part there where you and a naked man stand up and do. You're going to tell me say a threesome you just done do. So where the girl there with you in the photo. Cause you bend over, me show no say me not see no legs, so me could have passed and say yeah, Nyamar. Enough of them fight against Batism, and they are as guilty as ever. You see man like Pops, at them you know I don't sell things, but if a girl skin out, you push your rotten hood in her hole. You don't care about the females, cause someone say raw dog. So when all is said and done on the outskirt now, Pops, where you call your liar, Papa RT? Remember you and RT close. Remember you and RT boss close, and I don't care how much confession RT boss make, you and him did still close. True or false? True. You know RT boss like to pray and young men. At the same thing you need one buy out world dog. Them walk and talk to them a girls and them a manis. Them a manis. And these are the stuff people now put in a them pipe and smoke. Una too evil. You would never sit and live and embrace candy and say you're not business with a man's sexuality. Not even like a guilt in your conscience. But no, you want jump and call you a liar. You have a scamming case, go work out that with fear and trembling. You would never do it. Because candy is too flamboyant, but you can't take Frank to RT's house and miss him for 35 minutes. Where you went in the mansion. They cannot reason. Wanna see the difference now? The internet will own people to erect. Perhaps you don't need to come address Crown Boss. Come address Crown Boss for repeating what Frank had said. Crown Boss never depend the mission. So all Crown Boss privy because Frank bust it out in her mouth. Why you never call you liar upon Frank? When you know one RT boss talk, I just that plague me. So even if RT a tell liner or a ounce a liner or majority I'm story a liner, what is it that you don't want him to spill? Because Frank went to his house on your behalf. What is it that you don't want RT boss to spill? I tell you, say when on a little bit and hype, the devil set on up and drop on up on the face. I tell you this every day. You go on like you chop the line more than anybody else. And you know you can't do no chopping because you have a chopping case. What is the problem? Where you get money from? You're selling butt? Or you're selling pot? And every time you get a cash, a dollar, you have to make the whole world know so you have your money. Come on, man. How you get your money? You hear you on live. Hey boy, no phone don't have money like me. But guess what? Your little tuntuna hurt you. Your little tunash blister. Cause you can't keep on them out. You know you pressure your back door. You not build my youth. You know the inches them soon drop off of your back door. You know second. That is exactly him bring Frank for join. But it look like RT Boss Nadine love theme bottom. It look like RT Boss love Pops Tuntun. RT have a special love for Pops. And if you listen to all RT talk like a bitter batty man. You know who them man I give them relationship. You know me like the boy but him just unstable so. Me like the boy you know. And me like RT sound like a RT Boss sound like K. RT Boss sound like K. RT Boss to me look like him would have beat Pops. Me not ask you. Sorry about the little back door. Oh, nobody calls me for the little back door. The big back door. The shutter. And enough of them eat that wasn't war. Enough of them eat that wasn't war. Quickly you jump up for call your liar upon RT Boss. It's a restraining order you take out upon RT Boss like Aishan and Foota Eye. Cause you know RT Boss will beat you. If him not lick you already. Cause RT Boss look like him and nimble like him bottom. And that's the problem with enough of Uno. Uno know so the body a clap like convention and a beat like tambourine. It not have no melody, you know. It not have no melody, no harmony. But Uno know so it just a beat like tambourine. And Uno still want go in a straight crowd. Man will do the things all on our own. But the wife have problem with RT Boss and from RT Boss the rich she's your favorite caretaker. Then Uno not talk nothing about that. Then you are going to tell me now, say, okay, open fair Dungeons and Dragons and make Pops YG gone in there, like Seeking Narnia. Eh? You know that show there? After K no business either. Remember the reason why K follow up dancehall and can't look on her picnic because she have to take a batty body. So now when you search for them priority lies. Because you can't be a mother and a follow up dancehall. So and you put yourself nice together to take things where story curry. Him wife no shame. If him wife never shame when him dip on the upper talk say my batty man, then how she go shame? Or the wife go shame? If you ever know enough of these females, them appreciate certain things, them uphold certain things, them just mask themselves from certain things. Me no want you keep your life to yourself. How she go shame? One of the things say every woman I like uno. One of the things say some girl just want to know so them in a relationship. The Bible they talk say you will have a 7 woman to 1 man and them say don't give me nothing, I will take care of myself. I just want to do this. I don't want to feel shame. I need a man. Just need a man. It's not lie. Look how much time Ibani come out and say figure it out about him man. Publicly she disgrace him, but yet still she pretends that she hurt over figure it out. Make it make sense and wanna fall for the trap. Daima they run figure it out and figure it out. Nah grind Daima. Figure it out, nah grind Daima because he's not used to. And you can't broke him so bad. Look how long figure it out sit down on him live but you never see a girl in a Brazilian panty passing in the background. And them a gyalis. And them a gyalis. Make it make sense now. Figure it out, one of them will sit down on the live. Because guess what, even the girl where Ivan you say XYZ and wanna see figure it out how to do with nothing no go so. Question somebody say show RT wife is a she. Maybe it's a me. Them boy are too straight for not have a girl a pass in the background in a panty and brassiere. Them boy are too straight and that's something I always say. How me never see a girl a pass, me not even hear a girl go in the background. It doesn't matter if RT Boss speaking true or lies. The fact of the matter is RT Boss not just say this, but when a picture exposed and everybody talk about the pic with popsyg this morning, it never come to the forefront. And say when I talk about, you know, see some girl will lick down in that. And me and my friend are exchange woman. You get what me I say? You not see no girl in the background, you not see no body in the background, and him and a naked man. But him never addressed that. But as soon as RT come to the forefront, him ready for call him liar now. So let us say if RT Boss is not tell lie or is not telling lie, perhaps YG don't give him an. So you understand, enough boy too straight for dip on the upper, you know see a fat front girl a pass. And I say babes the tea ready, babes the lunch ready, babes the dinner cold. But you see when you sit down on the app and when you live with all sort of something when time things start. When you say people are tell lie. But check your body at work. You ever see pops in a relationship yet for a young youth? You ever hear pops them? You ever young you walk with you know, and a feel young in that. A feel young in that. A peer man pops walk with. A peer man and him walk. Every single thing a peer man and pops sketch out. For a young youth where you know your wood supposed to strong and your cocky supposed to stand up as the breeze blow. You never see pops yet. For a young brother who claim to say him have money, you never hear him say, yo, I'm gonna do my girl here and my girl want this, and my girl want that. And a pure man them live with. A pure man them live with. That is another thing nobody not talk. Them boy are too straight for live single life. And it's not like them there the mama yard and the mama yard full of siblings. Wouldn't I realize that? Imagine you can maintain yourself. And me not say, no girl I say, sit pops body yeah. Sit pops yeah. When me and pops lay down in the bed in my house. You know, none of that. None of them boy yeah. A dime a back shit out a figure it out mouth. A dime a back shit out a figure it out mouth. Never a time. From figure it out on the program, from figure it out on TikTok, from him there on girl's corner as him claim. Never a time you see a girl around him. Never a time. Until Diamond come. Or you for hide your girl them and show up your man them. Make it make sense. No girl now stay it again. No girl and an idiot girl. No girl now stay it. No girl now stay it. But yet still at them out a door. I walk with a bag of man and I said this already. If you see 6 boy I walk 2 out of the lot there. If you see 6 boy I walk 2 out of the lot there. Come here, somebody say he got a baby mama. How much batty man have baby mother? How much batty boy married? I don't know some idiot girl with some idiot question from a program with absence, you know. Oh, so the only thing can prove say a man straight is that he get a baby. Remember cute boss son have a baby? Remember cute boss son over here saw sell batty where they are Florida sell batty have a baby. And a batty him say, eh? Can they have a child too, you know? But yet still can they upfront with him man. So make your argument straight. And that's why Russian roulette are playing enough for no all. That's why Thai soldier and no all play a gun war. So make it make sense. Yeah, go like the boy them go come tell us that yo me a batty boy and but more and breed you. Them a come tell you that? Who you ever hear say that? Who you ever hear say that? Enough for una girl cause some man finna have certain dildo in them house. And let me say this, sometimes when you have a dildo in your house, your man have no problem with it. Why? Because when you're gonna work him right up that and wash it off and wrap it up, wipe it off and put it back. You go like you go smell it before you push it up in your that well wash and get back the plastic odor. Go on man, my girl, and I make me go down in the nitty-gritty and tear off on my blouse and throw the S on my chest, and it's not Superman as she be. Enough girl in a relationship with man and have dildo in them draw. True or false? And it's not like your man no. Some man now skin out and make you name them wood. Some boy now skin out and make you name them wood cause them body mash up. And you just might looking at it. Come now man. Them rather stand up and make you name it and lock them body so let them eat eye note. Somebody say him buy the deal, you think him buy it feet no share in the house. Everything are 50-50. And you all your clit did long and stiff enough. So you did have a 9-inch clit. Lord. Say you did have a 9-inch clit. Then you can imagine now him that bomb it off. And another thing again, enough for una girl and una man and him Jamaican bad boys say, no that true. Ask the girl them man when some boy hold their nipples so you know. And them twirl them tongue round it, you know. You want to direct them head with a compass and say, go underneath me, go discover down here, so Christopher. I don't want to put on the Columbus. Say like a batty boy. No for uno, woman. Una have no man and automatically if you're there with him for 10 years, something in the same just change. When my say me so, he must say me different. Huh? Enough for one, no son lie me and tell, but I guilt to take some one. Why you think them love backers? Cause them no want a girl looking at them eye. You mad? Put it on the backers and deal with your wicked. Yeah. You never know. Sometimes some man get some wicked out a door, them come in, come treat you like how them man treat them. You never know. Your man couldn't sex now wind up in a pum pum, but automatically, I way me learn this. I blues them watch. I mean enough girls still gonna get some dead sex, but you know you like the man. But all of a sudden my man sex, you know, my man could sex. But girl, I don't know when gonna learn some style. And it's just the truth. Man I deal with him dangerously. So guess what? Him come back, come let it up and she. And it's just the truth. Some come soon when the man a make, una one day for una make it. Some come soon when the man a make, una one day for una make it. Yeah, some come soon. But I mean like when they make them sound there. Some come soon when I make. All of a sudden him just get soft. But you not care about that. From inner you him make the sound and inner you him come, you're alright with that. No, that's how it go. That's why I don't know how girl go dance or go to a party and take up man. And something you not ramp with your body. I wonder if I could take up man under alcohol. I wonder if I could take up man under NSA buckle or DNG buckle. I wonder if I could go to do go take up them man there. Pops is too much of a young boy if him would not stand up and him not lick down the world. Pops should have a dozen girls. Pops should have sex up a million girls because it's not like him broke. And you know the girl them love money. It past scary. No, Kina, but it's true. When you see all them young boy, I know it's the inner city that plague these young men to abuse females. Because you can't in the city so. And you just a build back and you not have a girl. Girl then! You depend the girl then truck. Oh, the boy they not sexy now. Oh, every boy you watch a boy cocky and batty in the inner city. Every boy. I watch a boy cocky and batty in the inner city, and the one where I watch the man them and the one them where I give them bottom and them cocky and them mouth. Some of them boy where you see out the door go like them a bad man and them can suck cocky good. And them can suck cocky good. Me now ask you, when them hold on pan body you have to come all everything in your background. You just have to go your bed, but I true you know you have your yard because sometimes you come home you're weak. You think of the sun junk you. Any boy where you see with all a split on them lip, and them can suck out good. Scum de la scrumptious. Them can suck out good. Worse if money involved. Lord God, your eye roll back, you told them just curl so. Yeah, you favor zombie. You think a joke? Them can suck out good. Excellent, not even excellent, excellent. When them hold on pan body, them not let it go. You think the song I play, we say, "Don't wife, and you know watch mate, make a girl know a party." Them so called good, make the party run off me the right here song. No one understand why the pants them underneath the bottom. Ask any girl we get a bad man for them crutches, them enjoy it more than a regular crutches sucker. Ask them. When the boy hold on by your clit, him nah let go. Notice how some man suck nipple, them suck nipple like them a lick clit. True or false? Ask enough girl how some man yam them nipple, like them and yam them crutches, and then them a tell you say them na yam front, you know. But you wish that tongue you did underneath. Hey boy, you bad for your mouth, you know, just my chest plate you there. Man, you suck off my ass. Man, you suck off my ass. And it's true, the sensation with the boy mouth give you, all when you breath out. Boy, me not tell no lie. Sir, me da pay any money for go underneath me. Just do this underneath me now, please. If it feels so good up at top, then you can imagine down yourself. Oh, don't go chasing waterfalls. Me that just a flow that go where so. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you use. You know how long me not come so. What you mean you not do it? You not do it with me, stay man. Do it with me, little man. Shabla wow. No, it's true me attack. Some boy know for work them tongue pan nipple. It make you want direct them head underneath you. One already to move. Come ready cause you up here so. Give me something else down here so. Sometimes you sit down to yourself and you say, Judge Astara, what me can do to make that tongue go underneath me? Jesus. Jesus. When a boy decide for Nyami, you know, and him say my dad out the road, you know, when a boy decide for Nyami, you see him deal with it, you know, and depend you watch him, I love you, I do this, you know. Love me some more, don't stop. Sometimes you not even want nobody. Sometimes you just want the boy tongue, that tongue you nice, see? That tongue, you me da married your tongue. Me da married your tongue. Yeah. Me da married your tongue. Enough girl get the tongue underneath them and have to lift up the boy head and kiss him. Boy, me love you. Me love you. You pull out all your ear and you don't realize that wig you have on. You're lifting up the glue. You're lifting the glue. And it's just the truth. When some boy they pay your clit with them mouth, it come like a hood them a suck. You know the boy is a regular cocky sucker. They know how I draw my little clit out of my purse. So how I draw my little clit out of my purse. You know say my whole lock tight like the long time person. You know the one we have to turn so. You know the long time person, the one we have to turn so. With the silver head and the gold head, the two gold head them, and them go in a separate direction. Yeah man, the boy hang on by your clit. And him now eat oysters after underneath me in a shell. Yeah. But the boy now let go regular cocky suck and the and I saw him a suck it, but you depend watch him head! Watch him head! Worse if you click long, Lord, my love, and the same love. And it can't stiff up. You need a body. You need a body. You see the boy that I'm sorry, sitting along. It's true. But no, we're not smart, we're just take pleasure. Well, anyways, my time up. My time up. I will come back maybe later. Remember later when I come back, I play 2 dozen matches. Trini Pinky, my love, you know. No, I have to pay attention. Pay attention. I never said me no gift when I come up because I'm not staying sea breeze. You're too hypocritical. Yeah, I love you still. But later.